guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, I just want to say thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you for all your kind words, all your sweet words in my previous video. You guys are just truly the best, and thank you for all your continuous support, and I really appreciate that. Today I will be showing you how I got this makeup look. It's like a brown with gold like half cut crease, like and I did the cut crease just so the gold can stand out a little bit more. That's just an extra step. You don't have to do it, but I did it just to see how it looks. It's another look that I'm thinking to do for the wedding, and I think I'm leaning towards this because a lot of you gave me lots of good advice in that video as well, so thank you for that. I have been playing around with lots of colors like the peaches, browns, darker, lighter, just a bunch of different stuff. I am leaning towards this look because it does go, I think, with the theme, and I feel comfortable in browns. And yeah, this is what I came up with. So if you do want to see how I got this, please keep on watching. Also, I really like how this lip pairs with the eyes. I don't know, if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. I am always open to hear what you guys have to say. Let me know. Maybe I can add a little bit darker here, like maybe I didn't add any black, but maybe I can add black to like deepen up the color, or maybe I need to do like more nude lip, or maybe a darker lip. I don't know, you guys let me know what you think. And yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I got this, then please keep on watching. My base is already set, and I did exactly what I did in the previous bridal video. All I did differently was put a little bit more white under here. You can really see like a lot of white there right now, but I will be using darker colors, so in case there's any fallout, I can just like brush it off without it getting messy. I'll leave that video down in the description just in case you do want to see that part of me applying all of my face products. So let's begin with eyes. I will be priming with my concealer and blending that in with my finger. Then I'm ever so slightly just setting it with this. I'm going in with my Carli Bybel palette again because I just love this for bridal looks. Like, that is the perfect palette for bridal looks. I'm going in with this shade first for my transition color. It is like a warmer tone. It has like a little bit of like orangey tint in there. After that, I will be going in with the darkest shade in that palette, which is a dark brown. And I'm using this to deepen up that color. Then I'm picking up a little bit of that transition shade that we used earlier, in case any of that got lost with the darker color, blending them in together. After that, I will be going in and half cutting my crease. Right after cutting my crease, I will be going in with this gold highlight shade to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. I'm going in with this pale shade for my inner part of my eye. Then going in with the gold shade right next to it to place right here in the middle, and blending it inwards to that paler shade we used. You know what? Whatever. I'm just gonna bring it all the way in. Taking that first shade that we used as our transition to start blending the cut crease with the rest of the eye. And then picking up the darkest brown shade. So I go ahead and wipe it off my nose, off from under my eyes, and the cheeks. We did already apply gold highlight to the inner corner, but I do want to go ahead and add just a tiny bit of the white only into the inner corner. I feel like this really helps to brighten up the eye, to like brighten up the look. just a little bit there. Since I did use like gold on the eyelid, just some white here will make it pop. I will be adding gold highlight to my cheekbones. Next, all I'll be doing is just fixing my eyebrows. I will be adding my winged eyeliner, and I will be putting on waterproof mascara. So the eyes are done. I also forgot to mention, I went ahead and just went with black eyeliner onto my waterline just to give like my eyes an extra pop. I feel like every time I do this, yeah, it just makes them stand out more. So that's just how I feel. All we have left is lips, and I do want to go nude, maybe nude, but I want to darken it up a bit. So let me see what combination of the lip products that I have that I can do. When I mix colors, I usually do dark first and then the lighter on top, but this time around I think I'm going to change it up just a little bit, see how that comes out. I'm going with my BareMinerals matte lip in Hemp. So it is a little bit lighter than what I want. I do like the color, I do love this, but for this look I do want a little bit darker. I don't want to look like washed out. I still want to look like myself, obviously, but I do want the makeup to stand out like in the pictures and whatnot. And then with the NYX Lingerie in Beauty Mark, putting a little bit of that on top. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see what we come up with. Just on the bottom lip. And then I'll smack my lips together. Kind of blend those two colors in. Yeah, I think that made like the perfect color that I'm looking for. I don't know. Tell me guys what you think. Yes. Yeah, I like it. That was all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know what you think. Give me your advice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll talk to you guys soon.